Ready, 3, 2, 1. Did you say free chocolate?
I said no free chocolate.
No free chocolate? We're here because we are here to get some ice cream. So welcome back, you guys, to another wonderful food journey through Disney California Park. Today we are at Ghirardelli. Ghirardelli, I love how excited. Ghirardelli is in the Pacific Wharf right next to our one from yesterday. And let's just say they have a lot of delicious options. That is the front side and that is the back side. And you guys, we are going to enjoy. I'll show you guys what we get afterwards. This thing about coming into the Ghirardelli factory is obviously getting free chocolate. And after you order, and while you're waiting for your food, you get free Ghirardelli chocolate. It varies week by week on when you're gonna get. But yeah. And then you get to eye all this wonderfulness. So now we are waiting for our food. Oh my gosh. So right outside of here is the place to get the silverware. I got a spoon too. And napkins. Let's go. Like I said before, this place is in the Pacific Wharf, because as you can see, there's the Pacific Wharf Cafe, and right around the corner, over Lauren's shoulder here, is where we ate last time, which is the Lucky Fortune Cookery. But let me show you what we got here. What was it that it was called again? Ooh. What was this called again?
Crispy Field.
The Crisp Field. It comes with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, cookie dough, cookies and cream ice cream, and all kinds of deliciousness. Are you ready for this, honey? We're gonna dive in. We'll catch you guys in a moment. Okay, Lauren, you get the first bite. And go for it. You're trying to get a cookie and the ice cream. How does it taste? You had
I really wanted that to be like a warm cookie.
Oh, it was not a warm cookie? But overall, what do you think?
It's good.
Okay, my turn. Yeah. That would be better if it was a warm cookie.
The fudge is warm.
No, I haven't had the fudge yet. It would be good if the cookie was warm, but overall, I would definitely eat it. Right, honey? So an update for you. We have officially determined this fudge is amazing. I still wish it was a hot cookie though. But fudge is good. We'll catch you guys for joining us on another tour of great food here at the Ghirardelli factory on the Pacific Wharf. On that note, we'll see you guys on the next vlog.